Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you a simple solution to enable OpenCL in Fedora Linux, which is required to run many apps like DaVinci Resolve and so on. As you can see, when I run clinfo command on terminal, it shows number of platform 0. It means OpenCL is not working on the system. To fix this, we will need to install some drivers. To install the required drivers from your terminal, run the following command. I'll share the command in video description. You can copy and paste from there. It will take some time to install the files depending on your network speed. I'll fast forward until installations are done. As installation are complete now, we will test on our current shell to see if it's working correctly. To do that, run the following command, then check with clinfo again. I'll share this command on the description as well. As you can see, OpenCL is working now and the device is detected correctly. Now we need to make the changes permanent so it works from system boot. To do that, run the following commands one by one. I'll share them in video description. After running these commands, recheck with clinfo. Now OpenCL should work normally on your Fedora setup. If you face any issues, let me know in a comment. If this video helps you in any way, please like the video and put a comment. Thank you.